Hello guys, welcome you back to my channel that is Study Matters, and today I am going to share with you a review on each of these pens which are super affordable and which you can purchase from any local stationery shop nearby you. So if you want to watch more new content related to stationery or related to study, don't ever forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So for today's gel pen review, I have selected these 8 pens which I bought from a local stationery shop nearby me, and think that these pens are commonly available in any of stationery shop or local stationery shop. Each of this pen cost me for 10 rupees or even less than 10 rupees. So now let's quickly start trying out each of this pen. Here I'm selecting a random pen from this bunch, and I have selected this one, that is Resur Gel from Reynolds, and it comes in this plastic covering. It is also available in this 4 shades, which is blue, black, red and green. It retails for 10 rupees, and let's see now how it works. It has this abstract blue shaded body. It looks completely official and elegant to work with. It also has this ink tracker window on its body, so you can easily track out your ink inside the pen, and also a comfortable cushioning grip. Now talking about the ink flow, I had to scribble it a lot in the beginning, but as I started writing more and more, the consistency also got pretty well. The ink color is nice dark blue, and you can actually draw very thin lines with it, so it was a good deal within 10 rupees. So the next random pen I'm selecting is Flymax Gel, which is from Rorito. It also comes in this plastic covering and retails for 10 rupees only. Also has this 4 different shades as before one, and has this geometrical pattern on it. One thing I really liked about this pen is that it's not at all totally transparent, neither totally opaque, so you can easily track out your ink, and also got this very soft grip on it, which gives you comfortable handling of the pen and really fine tip too. I just feel that the ink flow of this pen is quite better than the before ones. Like, the ink is too consistent and it's too smooth on the paper, and it easily moves with your hand direction. I think it has got this roller ball in its nib. It's perfectly awesome. So the third pen I have selected over here is Octane Gel, which is from Classmate. Here I have selected the black body pen, but it is also available in different neon shades. This one also retailed me for just 10 rupees. And the one thing which is really very fascinating about this pen is that it has got this smooth velvety texture and matte finishing of black color, which gives it totally different appearance, and also has this textured grip for super grasp. Now the ink color of this pen is quite lighter than previous two, but if you are a person who really likes lighter shade of blue ink, then this one is perfect for you. So the next pen over here is a Natraj Gel-X Gel. It has this transparent body, so you can easily see through it and look out for the ink level inside it. So if you can see this, yeah, probably now you might see it, then this has got this inbuilt plastic grip into it. Actually this retailed me for just 5 rupees, so what you can expect more than a plastic grip inbuilt in it for just 5 rupees, isn't it? Now the thing that I noticed for this pen is that the ink shade keeps on changing as many times you use the pen. The next one is Amazer Gel from Rorito, and wait a second, it quite looks similar like the Racer Gel from Reynolds, and also has got this ink tracker window on it. Let's try to check out the ink flow, whether it is same as Racer Gel or not. No, not at all. The ink flow is more smoother than the Racer Gel, and the ink color is a bit lighter in shade than the Racer Gel. Okay, so let me show you both of them together, and here you can see it. They are totally similar, just slight differences are there. And if selecting one pen from these two, then I would select Amazer Gel. Next one is Rorito Fasti Gel. Actually previously it was known as Rorito Jiffy Gel. Now they have changed its name to Fasti Gel. It also has this inbuilt plastic grip and it's totally transparent. Again, this pen retailed just for 5 rupees. The one thing I just don't like about this pen is that towards the end it becomes more draggy. Okay, so moving on to the next pen. This is from Flair Carbonix 2, and I haven't used this pen anytime. This is my first time trying it out. The one thing I noticed about this pen is that it has got so tiny space to hold the pen. Also don't have any sort of grip. But talking about the ink flow and the ink consistency, it's too good. And also I didn't need to drag it or scribble with it. Surprisingly, it's too amazing. Now let's move on to the last pen, that is from Luxor Designer Pen, and it is also known as stick pen if I'm right. Do let me know whether I'm right or wrong by just commenting below. Now talking about the body again, this pen do not have any sort of grip to hold it. This one also has this fine tip with a metal shield to it. And if you have watched my previous video how to improve your handwriting, then you might have seen this pen a lot. I have talked about it a lot, that this pen leaks too much, and it creates such kind of spots. If not yet watched this video, then I have already linked this video in the description box below, so do watch it. And also have told lot many things, which pen you should use and which pen you should not use, so do watch it. Now comparing the ink tone, then all have got a bit similar ink tone with a slight variation. Just the Rorito Amazer Gel and Luxor Designer has got a bit lighter shade than the other ones. Now if you have liked this cute little bookmarks over here, then I have already linked this video in the description box below, so do watch it. And don't ever forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, that is Study Matters. Till then, meet you soon in my next video. Bye bye.